Here's the panel right there. So here's an update of the panel. It's kind of nice with the lights out to cast some shadow from outside. You see the shadows across to give it even more depth. Kind of fall, winter, spring, just like a school year. North Fork of the American. We turn the lights on, we'll see what it looks like there. You can see without the shadows cast, it looks a little flatter. It maybe needs a light on it. Beautiful. All right, let's get to work. Something done. Use that router bit right there. Little forward progress there. I kind of have that relief line. Now I need to fade it that way. Kind of see these oak leaves right here have all that detail, that concavity, and then these are just flat. So I'm just going to try and hollow these out a little bit, just using the Dremel tool.